Alright guys, so today I'm going to show you on how to flash the EU ROM on your Xiaomi devices. Remember guys, this applies to all Xiaomi phones, okay? So first, make sure na unlock na bootloader and also meron na po tayong TWRP installed sa phone natin. Okay? Now we're going to download the ROM file. So punta po tayo sa website. So ang website is Xiaomi.eu. So ito po yung website ni EU ROM. And as you can see here, meron po tayong MIUI 11 ROM download. This is for the beta. And then 11 stable ROM for the global stable ROM. Okay? So sa Poco phone, wala na pong beta version. They stop on 9.6.27. And so dito na po tayo mag-focus sa stable ROM, okay? So here, as you can see, ito po yung sa stable ROM. So ito yung download link nila. So sourceforge.net, yung isa naman Android file host. So I'm going to choose the Android file host. And then as you can see sa baba, meron po nandun po yung for Poco phone. So choose nyo lang po yung phone nyo dito. So meron na din po Mi Note 10. So ayan po. So choose nyo lang po yung phone, yung gamit nyo na phone dito, and then we're going to download the ROM file. Okay, so click the link or right click and then open a new tab, and then makikita po natin yung click here to start download. So click, and then now searching for mirrors. So wait lang natin. Ayan po. So click lang natin tong primary download. And then, if you're using the IDM, lilitaw po siya na ganito. Yan. Or, kung wala po kayong IDM, makikita niya po siya dito. Okay? So, Chrome. Try natin. Okay, so mukhang mabagal yung connection ko. So, hindi na po natin ipapakita yung pag-download. So, ito po yung na-download ko na. So, open lang natin. Open folder. Ayan po, ito na yung Poco phone 11.0.5. So copy natin siya, and then we're going to connect the phone to our computer. Ito po. Ayan, so connect na siya, and then open natin yung Explorer. Yan, so as you can see here, hindi po natin detect yung phone natin sa computer. So ang gagawin natin is mount, and then enable natin yung MTP. Ayan po. So ayan na po siya ngayon. So na-detect na po yung phone natin, okay? Now we're going to copy the ROM file. So ang gagawin natin is I'm going to make a new folder. So ito po, download ROM. Ayan po. And then press enter. And then dito po natin kokopyahin yung EU ROM para madali po natin siyang matandaan. Okay, so remember po na gumawa po tayo ng folder or paste nyo lang kahit saan yung itong EU ROM. So okay, so once nakopya nyo na, tandaan nyo po kung saan nyo i-paste or kinopya yung EU ROM, okay? So para madali po nating mahanap. So yung sa akin po nasa download ROM folder siya, okay? Okay, so dito po sa phone natin, so close ko na yan, disconnect. So tap back. Yan po. So as you can see here, hanapin po natin ito. Ito po yung download ROM. So ayan na po yung EU ROM, okay? So balik po tayo. Ang gagawin po natin una is wipe muna tayo. Wipe. And then itong slider. So swipe to factory reset. So nakalagay po dyan. So swipe natin siya. And then ayan na po, successfully. Now we're going to back or home. Now tap the install and then Xiaomi EU. and then swipe to confirm flash. Okay, so antayin lang po natin siya matapos. And also this will take some time, so let's wait for it. Okay. Alright, so reboot lang po natin sa system. Okay guys, so this will take some time. So kung nag-bootloop po yung phone natin, we have to re-download the EEROM file, and then we're going to do the reflash on TWRP. Okay, so kung ang phone is na-bootloop ng 15 minutes pataas, or 15, 20, 25 or 30 minutes na hindi pa rin nag-boot yung phone, so we have to re-download and flash again the Xiaomi ROM. Okay, so here I think mga 2 minutes na, so wait lang po natin siya matapos. Okay. Alright, so ayan na po, nag-boot na yung phone, and also as you can see, nakalock pa po siya, so enable ko lang po, post ko lang yung video. Okay, so ayan po. So choose lang po natin yung language to English, then tap next, and then next, then I agree. So everything is straightforward, so follow nyo lang po yung makikita sa screen. Okay. Okay, so don't copy data. Okay, so you can skip this. skip, then accept. Okay, so turn off, don't use, then skip this. Okay, so that's it. We have successfully flashed the EEROM in our device. So here it is, Xiaomi EU 11.05 stable. Alright guys, so next video, ipapakita ko sa inyo kung paano mag-update ng EEROM using the OTA update and also yung manual update method, okay? Alright guys, so that's it. Thanks for watching, and also I hope you like my video. So you can subscribe and like my video, and thanks for watching.